Sunday banh mi time. Yum, yum, yummy, yum, yum. Not the greatest beach day today. The weather's well and truly turned. It's windy, it's cold, it's spitting with rain, but I'm still smiling. Why wouldn't I be? Might be a get out and watch a movie kind of afternoon, I'm thinking. Yeah, she's really not the greatest. What to do? That's all right, I'll find something to do. Across the road. Crossing the road's a challenge. There's always something to do. Sunday evening. The usual brewski. And we got some jackfruit. I was meant to get fruit yesterday. I forgot. I got it today. Quite a nice night. Just going to have my brewski and then scoot back, have a shower. I've got a date tonight. See how that goes. Quite a nice night. It was cold earlier on, but now it's actually pretty good. That's the I was talking about yesterday. The baskets of fruit trays. Bloody amazing. 20,000 for all kinds of things. Even like, she even sells, I think it's 18 quail eggs for 20,000, if you're into quail eggs. But yeah, fresh, cheap, cheaper than the stores. So this is interesting. I'm just in a grab car, like an Uber. The driver's just pulled over. She's checking all her tyres. I don't know what's going on here. That's a set price, so I'm not stressed. But and the aircon's good. But yeah, I don't know what's going on. The car's still running. The 1963 drinks and coffee stand. Rumour has it. Well, the story behind it is, this is not the original obviously, but it's been here since, or a stand of some sort has been here since 1963. Yeah, rabbit cock. Pissing down. Oh well. It is the wet season. Okay. I gotta walk home. Just water. Won't hurt ya. The things you see in Asia. There's a rooster in the restaurant. Oh, that's hilarious. You're a little bit early, mate. Yeah, quite a few hours early. Yeah, no. What a good cook. Monday at the beach. The ocean's calmed down a bit. The weather's sort of lifted a bit. More and more people getting out. The sun's trying to come out. Just hasn't quite made it yet. Well, that's Monday. Pretty much come to a close. 5 o'clock. Fairly uneventful day today. It's been bloody cold today. Cold and windy. So didn't bother doing much today. sorting out some of my own stuff. We're going to get something to eat shortly, I reckon, and yeah, go from there. Met a Canadian bloke last night. He'd just flown in. A couple of beers with him and a bit of a chat. So yeah, another friend. Friends everywhere.